Well, this is our early August update, and you can see behind me this is the Phase 7 pool, and they are doing work on it right now. They are replacing all the concrete or gunnite that's inside the pool and the tile. It's going to look good and it's going to be ready for next season. So you can see here they are redoing the pool on Phase 7. All the gunite's coming out. They're getting ready to redo the whole thing. You can see they've been chipping it out here. All the surface has been redone as well. It's looking good. This will be ready for next season. So today we'll start with lot 368. And you can see they've got the tile staged on the roof. They got some of the glass in. Let's go take a look inside. So here we are at lot 358. They've already begun painting. You can see a lot of the drywall work is done. Here we are on lot 353. I see they're getting ready to pour part of the curbing. Aha, a lot of drywall work has gone up since last time we were here. I see retaining wall work also. Looks like a kitchen island, that would be my guess. Air conditioning splitters. So here's 396. Working on it right now. The steam room is almost complete. As you can see, the tile is in place, grout is in place. It's looking good. Looks like they just have a little bit of lighting left to do. Right up here. So again, this is the first week of August. As you can see, they are getting the resort ready for next season, which is right around the corner. We'll see you guys soon.